Let's go back 3 months ago. Last September, Typhoon Ling Ling passed through the workshop. It's been less than a month since I moved in, but the storm broke a window. On the day of typhoon, I was at home and was relieved and worried nothing. So I was shocked when I went to work the next morning. I thought it was bad luck when I saw the door broken for the first time, but it was so glad that the small window was broken, not the big one. Anyway, the door should not be like that, so I had to repair it immediately. Fortunately, the broken glasses will stay under the window. I prepared just what I needed. I took a tape line, knife, box tape, and silicone. I took some pieces of glass and looked for some useful parts. I didn't think I can attach the small pieces, and I think I need to attach the biggest one first. In order to do the silicone work again, I removed the old silicone. I pushed it with a knife and it fell off. I put a piece of glass into the door gap and prepared the silicone. When I opened the silicone lid, the tip was clogged like this. I cut off the end with a knife and secured the glass piece with silicone. Silicone can be applied neatly by cutting the tip slightly diagonally. I applied silicone on the outside too. While the silicone dries, I fix it with tape to prevent the glass from falling off. Now, I need to cover up the dirty and broken window with something. I measure the size first. After measuring, I prepare the covering sheet. Before sticking the sheets, the surface should be cleaned. Dirt can weaken the adhesion. This is a sheet of blackboard to stick inside the door. It's kind of chalkboard. I bought this sample sheet when I make chalkboard products. I thought its thickness and strong adhesion would make it easy to fix broken glass. The important thing is the sheet should cut to fit the door size. I align the ends well and fold the back paper a little so that the reference point was attached first. Then I rubbed up the rest little by little. The sheets stick to the window very well. I cut the mesh ends with a ruler and knife. The inside job finished like this. It's time to do outside job. I decided to use wood for the outside of the door. At first, I was going to use 50mm stick, but I decided to use 12mm stick because the door might not be able to support the weight of the wood. I used plunge saw to cut it. I need 2 pieces of wood, so I cut it 4 times. After cutting it, I checked if the size was cut properly. Stain on those wood boards, so I sanded it first. I'm going to finish it with Dan Shui light walnut. I applied it with a cloth and rubbed it hard. Since it is going to be exposed to the outside, I applied the oil twice carefully. After that, I applied the varnish with a roller. Varnish is slightly white when it is first applied, but it becomes transparent when dried. When it dries up, I flip it over and paint it carefully to the back. I'm not a professional woodworker, but I think one of the hardest part of woodwork is coloring. It takes time and it's not easy to get the same color every time I paint. It doesn't appear in the video, but it took me 3 days to color and dry 4 times. How do I attach the wooden board to the glass? I used a double-sided tape and silicone. Wooden board is wide, so I prepared a silicone gun. I applied it between the double-sided tapes. Finally, I brought them to outside. Luckily, few people passes by because of the bad weather that day. But I was ashamed, so I tried to do the job as soon as possible. I stuck it in place and pressed it few minutes. Because of the weight of wood, I took a little time to press them, for the double-side tape worked well. I was a little embarrassed to be doing this outside. The passenger-by kept telling me, I wished the wood stuck fast. Broken door repair was completed like this. How is it? The door is much better than before. I was forced to proceed quickly due to the typhoon, but I'm happy and satisfied with the result. Thank you for watching this video. This is the first one that I make in English. I haven't used English after graduate university. It's been about 15 years. So my grammar and pronunciation must be really bad. But if you let me have some time, you can see me improving little by little. I hope you subscribe my channel and see you next time.